Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma. Haka khatbai trek Risau la keransyai baka nuku kesenjam ka Sorkar kan syem ban Pynkynriah ikibreu ke bahasa athem Metor kan long hakalenti kat kum ki kendon an. Kani kejengkran Menteri Rangba kadehinin kejeng penpau jong sembut Menteri Rangba ke Punjab Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Ubala persya ajur ban Pynkynriah yaki Harijans ke bahasa athem Metor syakawai pat gejaka. Bat ula berngam ru ban ra kenegamat show Menteri Korbarli ke Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah. Nalor kani wat chairman ke National Commission for Minorities Iqbal Singh Lalpura ula penpau baga commission kelabatha ya ke chief secretary ke Meghalaya ban IT ya ke Kaipot. Bat ban penne bet kumjot ne ke status quo halor kene kamat kumelabatha daga Meghalaya High Court. Ha kebaidai bagi ni kijing pensengau juk kini ginong yalam Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya ulong bagi don kam bantip ya kat tu kani kijing sisa. Bat ke Sorkar jela kelas cemekarai kata hadian laisnem tam baglati benia halor kene kamat. Ulong bagi jinglong try ke jaka kedai dah ke Sorkar jela kat kum kejing ai lis ke belesoi bat usiem ke hima meliam. Bat cisian bala pendap kene kam bat haba ke Sorkar keladon gikot kisla ki batikna bat ki basngan. Ki brio ki basyok hok ki badai ginong tre Sorkar on bat ha eki bandit sa ano ha ki jaka bala pen kre ke Sorkar. Bat kamdai setia ban subret bat gini ki brio ha ki surok. Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya ulong ru baka nongrem jong ke Sorkar kalong ke basyai kedar bat kene kamat kene ke belas ateng mentala bon snem. Bat kalong ke badon kam ban wat kilat klenti ban weng nak sendon kene ke jeruat bat kanu ke kam ke baka Sorkar kale kan long dah ke bayat kat kum kaan.
Important to understand few facts out here. Number one is that whatever the government of Meghalaya is going to do, it is after 3 years of detailed homework that we have decided on the steps that we are going to take. Whatever steps that we are going to take from now on and all the moves that we are going to make are going to be legally sound. So therefore, whatever decisions, whatever question of any aspect of any action to be taken by the government will be based on proper documentation and proper legal fronts. It is important for individuals, the leaders from government of Punjab who have mentioned that they will be also taking up the matter. They need to also understand that the ownership of the land is with the government in terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Milliam. Now, once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who've been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order or anything, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long, and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue also.